A little windy out there this afternoon, especially in the lower valley. A wind advisory in effect for Cameron and Wilsey counties. And the wind's probably going to be at least fairly breezy through this evening and maybe almost as windy tomorrow. Maybe not quite as gusty as today, but I don't think the winds will be settling down much on Wednesday either. Some clouds out there right now. They're starting to break up a bit, especially in the upper valley. You see a few more holes in the clouds, but in general, dry weather the next couple of days. Our rain chances could start to come back toward the weekend, especially by later Friday, Saturday, Sunday, maybe into Monday. We could have some showers or a storm around. And we do have a wind advisory now. This goes until 6 p.m. Gusts at least about 40 to 45 miles per hour in Wilsey and Cameron counties. Not as windy in Hidalgo and Starr counties, but still a fairly gusty wind at times. You see the wind gusts on the map. Highest in the lower valley, 41 in Brownsville, 36 in Port Isabel, 37 in Raymondville and in Harlingen, but you see gusts still at least around 30 miles per hour in McAllen. So it's getting pretty windy in Cameron and Wilsey counties, and also bringing back some smoke. We touched on this yesterday. This is a map of the smoke detector from satellite, and yesterday it was kind of just getting up into South Texas. Now it's spreading up the Texas coast, and this is coming from fires in Central America, not the little fires you see here. These little dots indicate the fires detected by satellite, but look at all the fires detected way down in southern Mexico and Central America, hundreds of them down there, and all that smoke coming up. And this other color shading here indicates where the smoke's a little bit thicker, and you see that's getting close to us. The air quality is still in the moderate range, but is forecast to maybe drop into the next category down, the unhealthy for sensitive group. So if you do have heart or lung disease, or maybe you're elderly, you may want to avoid prolonged exposure if the air quality gets down into that next category. So not the best day to run a marathon, basically, when the air starts to get kind of smoky out there. But it could last for a couple days with that strong southerly breeze coming up the next few days. 89 right now in McAllen, 87 in Brownsville, 84 the current temperature in Port Isabel. Very warm and humid, too. The old muggy meter going up the ladder there, with dew points up right around 71 degrees. It's breaking this up into the very humid category. Maybe not quite up there in the mid-70s like we typically see a lot in July and August, but it's getting pretty humid. And again, there's the air quality that's still going on probably all the way through at least Wednesday and Thursday. Again, smoke still in the air. It may take until about the weekend to maybe improve the air quality if we do get some rain around. Satellite radar does show clouds coming through the area. Not enough to thicken up to cause any rain or anything like that. And Future Track does have partly to mostly cloudy skies this afternoon. Windiest conditions over Cameron and Wilsey counties. The winds probably won't totally die off tonight. We may be still seeing those winds up around 15 to 20 miles per hour later tonight, which also helps keep temperatures up. When you have the clouds, some humidity, and the pretty good breeze, it may not drop much below about the mid-70s tonight for lows. Wednesday could be a bit windy again. I think not as strong as today, but wouldn't be surprised to see gusts up over 30 miles per hour in some areas tomorrow, with partly sunny skies by afternoon, and temperatures could actually be a couple degrees warmer in some areas. By Thursday, still a good bit of clouds early in the morning in spots, but I think Thursday could still end up to be a partly sunny day overall. Should stay mainly dry. There's a possibility that if you are traveling just north of the valley, there may be a couple showers or storms not too far away, just to the north nearby. So we'll have to watch for that Thursday evening and night. But we'll show you the NAM model later, which does have better chances for showers and storms arriving by Friday in the parts of South Texas and for the weekend. Today, your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast, 89 for a high, partly to mostly cloudy, a little windy like we showed you, and kind of humid. And then by tonight, down to about 76 degrees, a very warm, muggy night, and still kind of breezy in the overnight hours with clouds returning. And then your first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast, 89 today, 92 tomorrow, and 91 on Thursday. Pretty humid all those days. It could still be a bit breezy on Thursday, but I think the winds drop off some and then maybe pick up a bit on Friday and then drop off again on Saturday. So out of the next few days, probably the windiest days will be Tuesday, that's today, Wednesday, and maybe Friday. Notice the rain chances, though, come up. Probably talking about 40 to 50% chances of rain by Friday, Saturday, and for Sunday, Cinco de Mayo. And there may be a few downpours, too. We'll keep tracking it throughout the week in your first 1-5 forecast on Channel 5 News at noon.